Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel Creatively Purple. I'm Carolyn, and today's video is the Archer&Olive June subscription box unboxing. I'm super excited. I've been waiting for this so impatiently and so I'm happy it's finally here. A few things that I have noticed is that one, the box is really light and it's also smaller than the March subscription box. So with that said, let's open this box up and see what we have inside. All right, so if we open up the box, so here we have the welcome to the Archer&Olive subscription box. We're so excited to bring you this month's goodies. So flip this card over to have a look at the exciting new products inside. And by this image here, it tells me that it is a desert theme. So in the email, they stated that there was 9 items. So there's a sketchbook, a notepad, a notebook cover, some clips. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's only 8 items. So that's a little bit strange that in the email it said that there was 9, but on the card they're only showing 8. I'll put this here to the side. So here we have the A5 embroidered notebook cover. It is beautiful. I absolutely love this. I love, that's gonna bug me. I'm gonna have to cut that. Let's see, there we go. So it's valued at $45. It is full leather. So that's nice. I like this. Oh, what's this? So I guess there is a 9th item. So let's open up this. Oh, okay. So it's sticky notes. Well, those are cute. I'm not sure what these are valued at, but I'm guessing probably about $6, $5, $6 max. Here we have the washi tape, the decorative tape. So it's a set of 4 and it's valued at $11. And I have to say, I really love the colors of this box. These are just beautiful. Next we have this little, oh, so here we have the binder clips and it's a set of 3 and they're valued at $12. Oh, and it matches the washi tape, so that's cute. Put that one that way. Put those aside. Here we have a little pin valued at $12. It fits the theme well. Next we have the acrylograph pens, and they are 0.7 millimeter tips, and they have colors. I'd say this is like a sandy yellow, a dusty rose, a burnt orange, and then a plum, and then a teal color. Love the colors, again going with the theme, and these are valued at $22. Then we have the notebooks. Oh, there's a lined ruler, a ruler stencil. Ooh, and the plastic is quite thick. I like that. Then we have a ruler here up to 18 centimeters. Nice. And then we have lines to do rows, up to 8 rows. And then again, 8 rows down this way. So that's the ruler stencil. And that is valued at $15. And then we have the 2 notebooks. Let me put this aside. So the first one is a craft sketchbook. Oh, so it's blank pages. The box is beautiful, like always. Oh, I love that purple. Oh, and it's a faux leather. That's nice. I don't know if I'll have a use for this book. And this is valued at $32. I may have to give it to my daughter because she loves to sketch. So she may find more use for this than I do. Oh, it's very difficult. All right. So here is the cover and the craft pages. Beautiful notebook. And then the last journal notebook is valued at $35. And I've been curious about these notebooks. I've been tempted on buying, but I'm not sure if I would like this style of notebook. I like how there's the dotted line here for you to tear the paper out easily. So it's green, like a dark forest green, and then a royal blue, and then we have the craft paper at the back, and they're all dotted, so that's nice. I like that. Before I end this video though, I am going to sample the pens. So I have my journal here. So let me see, here's my page. All right, so here's the first color. Oh, it's like sand color. Nice. All right, so here is the pink, the dusty. Ooh, I like this one. I'll next do the burnt orange or burnt red. Oh, this one leaked really, got some on my hand. It's almost like a brick red, but like with an orange tone. I don't know. Next one we have is the plum colored, the purple one. All right, so here's the purple. Oh, that's nice and dark. Love this purple. And last but not least, all right, so here's the blue or the green. It's like a teal almost, I'd say. Love the colors. The colors are nice. So guys, that was June's subscription box. So this box values at about $184, and that doesn't count with the the sticky notes. All in all, this box isn't too bad. I would have preferred a craft dotted journal rather than a craft blank journal. I guess I might be able to find something for it. I just don't like writing Cricut. So if I don't use it for myself, I'm sure my daughter will use it. She loves sketching. For the value of this box, I guess it was worth purchasing, because for us to purchase, as a Canadian, for us to purchase this box, it's $70 US plus $25 Canadian. So it comes up to, with taxes and everything and with the conversion, I paid about $120 Canadian. So yes, I got more than what I paid for, but if I compare the last box with this box, so the March box and the June box, I was kind of expecting more, or at least not more in price, but just more items in general. I was hoping for at least a regular dotted journal, so I guess I'll have to make another purchase. But all in all, like I said, this box isn't that bad. I love the color theme and the A5 notebook cover. I like those a lot, but I'm a little bit disappointed by some of the items in the box. I'm hoping that September's box is better than June's box. Otherwise, I'll have to rethink about continuing purchasing these subscription boxes. I'd love to hear your thoughts on June subscription box. If you purchased it, what are your thoughts? I'd love to know. If you haven't purchased it, would you consider purchasing it after seeing what's inside the box? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified for my upcoming videos. Until next time, happy journaling.